Hello, this is Brian with the Precision Marksman channel. I'm here at the range in early July of 2025. I'm doing some load development. Well, what I'm doing actually is I'm checking a new powder lot. I had about 4 or 5 pounds of this powder, which was good for a lot of rounds, and now I'm switching. I got an 8-pound jug of it, which would be good for about another 2,000 rounds. I'm loading a 55 grain Vmax and a 223 5.56 using N133 powder. I'm using in 2 different rifles. This is a 223 wylde, 16-inch ballistic advantage, a Geissele handguard. This is an ambi lower. This gun over here is a criterion barrel, 18-inch. Again, so the ballistic advantage is 16. So there's a bit of difference in speed. You're looking at not quite 100 feet per second, but pretty close to 100 feet per second between the 2 barrels. This is also a Geissele handguard. This one's going to be running a BCM upper, and this is a standard Anderson lower. Both are really good guns. One's running a Leopold, one's running an Arkin. These are 2 guns I like to use for prairie dog hunting out in South Dakota, Montana, Wyoming. I try and get at least 32, 3250 with the 18-inch, and the 16-inch about 3150, 3160. Interesting though, this load was 24.4 grains of N133, so it was a little bit a hotter lot than my very first one. This lot is slower, and so I loaded up 24.4, and the velocities were considerably slower. In order to get near the same velocities, I went to 24.8. I tried 25 and 25.2. What's really interesting is the criterion barrel, which is the same chamber as the, they're both 5.56 wyldes. It runs pressure about 0.4 of a grain before the ballistic advantage in my Novesk barrel. So this gun, it blew a primer at 24.8, the 18-inch, where the other barrel, which is these 2, didn't even, it had a little bit of ejector marks. I went to the 25 grain, and again, no blown primers at all with the ballistic advantage, but one with the other barrel, the 18-inch criterion. And then when I went up to 25.2, I said, screw it, I'm going to shoot them. It's a little hot, but whatever. This is not really high-quality brass. It's PPU, which is quite soft. If I was shooting my Norma brass, it would handle it easily. But PPU is softer. It's a good, cheap brass for, like, doing prairie dogs and stuff. I don't use it for precision stuff. But it took 52 grains until it blew, and the other one blew at 24.8. So 52.2 versus 24.8, which is 0.4, which is a lot. So with this, if I want to shoot this gun, I got to load